septic tank construction. Brickwork is going on here, and two masons and two laborers are working on this task. You can see he is a senior mason, and this one is his son, junior mason, you may call it. Less skilled mason, but he can also see how he is distributing the mortar. This is 9 inches brick wall. We use the brand 333 brick here in sewerage work. You can see the brick have same size and same color. It's first class brick. It reaches here to the side along with the transportation cost at about 42,000 rupees, Pakistani rupees. This is the sand we use here on our site. We mix the finer sand and the coarser sand together, and then we make our mortar. And same for plastering works and also for the RCC and PCC works. It costs, along with the transportation, of about 3,200 rupees per 100 cubic feet. These are the RCC pipes, 9 inches internal dia pipes. We use it here for our sewerage system. This is for the small houses, small colonies, not for the big towns or big residential areas. It's just for small houses. You can see these are the small houses. We just lay these pipes, and we connect these pipes with the help of small manholes, and then they pass through these manholes and they flow to these septic tanks. This pipe costs us about 800 to 900 rupees with transportation. These are precast RCC slabs having dimensions 3.5 feet length and 1.5 feet its width, and about 2 inches thickness. So we use these slabs, precast slabs, to make this RCC slab of the septic tanks and the manholes. We just place the steel bars and 1 foot center to center distance, number 3 bars. Hello guys, this is the excavation done for our pipeline, sewerage pipeline, and it's 2 feet in width. It must be, but here on the site they have dig it to 1.5 feet of width, and 2 to 2.5 up to 3 feet of depth. And they will lay the RC pipes here, and they will construct a manholes to 30 to 30 feet center to center distance, and this will go this way. And then we will connect the manhole we construct here on this end. We will connect it with this manhole. You can see the pipeline laid already. So then this pipeline will go to that tank. It's 40-foot tank. So this will be the whole system for these 16 houses. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Now you can see this pipeline is laid here. This is RCC pipe, 9 inches internal dia, and this is laid with the 0.5% slope, because the street head also itself, so we just laid it to 0.5% of the slope. Mostly we lay it to 1% of the slope, because the people living here, they use a small quantity of water in their toilets, so mostly the solid left and the pipes and the liquid flow away, so mostly they get stuck and the pipeline is blocked. So the maximum slope percentage is 2%. We mostly lie 1%, and the areas where the street have itself slope, so we just lay it to 0.5%. You can see this pipeline is laid, and we have some obstruction here, so the laborers are cutting the old water supply pipe. You can see it's totally damaged pipe, and they have cut it. So here they will lay their pipe easily, and this pipeline will go to a septic tank. Here the septic tank is 22 feet long, and its internal width is 27 inches. It's according to the standard given to us, and its depth is, total depth is 6.5 feet, but from the inward level of the pipe which will be placed here, from the inward level of the pipe to the upward level of the bed, it must have to be 4 feet. So here we have some, we did some mistake, because its depth is now 5 feet. We must make it to 6.5 feet. So what we will do, here the manhole will come, and we will demolish its bed. We will cut it to about 4 feet or 5 feet in length, and then they will dig again, and then we will do concrete work inside it, and the bed will go down somewhat to make it to the standard. So this way it will go, and then we have made a soakage pit for it. The pipe will go from here, this is the outlet, and from here it will go to this soakage pit. We have started it to 10 by 10 feet from the ground level, and then after 5 feet of digging it will go to 8.8 by 8 feet dia, and there is a 40 feet septic tank. Outlet pipe will come from this end to this soakage pit, and from here, from this tank also. So this soakage pit will be constructed for these 2 tanks. Yes guys, this is the coarse aggregate we use here on the site. This coarse aggregate is famously known as Bahadar Kale crush in Peshawar, and it cost us 3200 per 100 cubic feet. So I will show you the aggregate particle. This is the aggregate. It's not totally angular, but there is some rounded also in it. It's mixed type of aggregate.